Your best
So,
friend.
Corvus, we have to kill these people.
Who?
It would be a streamer killing a streamer.
Is it really?
Every time we fight these guys and we kill them, like
They
There
call
he
us
is.
hackers.
That TR Craig.
Here they come.
Don't fuck this up. Kill them all. One, I think, had a shotgun, so careful. Assault and kill feed, anyway.
They coming on foot, or was that them driving?
That was probably them driving.
Gonna roll up the sleeves for this one. Take a big old sip.
I'm not watching their stream anymore. I was just curious where they were. I mean, I guess I could.
Nah.
Watch yours. Go ahead and pull it up. See where they're at.
No.
I want to be legit. Is
Yeah,
it
let's
full
make it
four?
legit.
Yeah.
Make it legit. We fucking screen snipe them all the time.
Oh, really?
No. Yes and no. Yes and no. We don't use like their location as much as just finding out where they are at.
What's their tag?
TR Craig.
Craig.
TR
Craig.
KRIDG. I'm not sure how you say it.
All right. You want to go on foot or do one more drive to the?
We got a team coming across.
Heading. Gotta clear my eyes out after that. Lit him up. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh, that's from east. Wow. Carefully. Took my helmet off. Is there a fresh one? Careful. I got a hell of a shot at scope from that east. Oh no.
We don't need it.
The 3x superior in a ridiculous amount to the 2. Let me know if you see a fresh helmet.
You're gonna have guys up on that ridge or coming down from this side.
The wisdom whale died, man.
Vehicle pulling up us northeast. Dacia. They stopped. 70. At the rock. 55. They dropped. God damn, I'm off today.
They're going for the run.
Oh, that was nice.
That was both of them. Hey, zone.
I know. But I just Molotov the streamer. No!
Reload. Yep. There you go, right there.
Woo!
Nice.
Let's go!
Instant.
Twitch content, baby. Hey, it's Twitch content for both of us.
That was the most crazy hip fire.
I was in fear.
I've ever seen in my life.
It was all fear, but you have to understand, they were afraid too. They didn't get out of the car. That's how afraid they were. Opie, we got this, man.
I've only ever seen Opie hip fire like that before.